Welcome to Simplifying STEAM. 4D printing is an advanced form of 3D printing that involves the use of smart materials capable of responding to external stimuli, such as heat or water, to transform into different shapes. Unlike traditional 3D printing, which involves creating static objects layer by layer, 4D printing allows objects to change over time, adapting to their environment or purpose. A common example of 4D printing is the creation of self-folding structures, such as solar panels that can unfold and track the sun's movement, or medical implants that can change shape to fit a patient's anatomy. 5G technology and next-generation networks are the latest advancements in wireless communication that enable faster speeds, lower latency, and higher capacity. These networks use higher frequency bands and advanced technologies such as massive MIMO and beamforming to deliver improved performance, reliability, and connectivity. An example of 5G technology is the use of augmented reality in sports broadcasting, where viewers can experience live games through immersive and interactive experiences. With 5G, viewers can watch a live game from multiple angles and zoom in and out with high-quality video and minimal delay. Advanced manufacturing and 3D printing refer to the use of innovative techniques and technologies to create complex products with greater efficiency and precision. It involves the use of computer-aided design software to create 3D models, which are then translated into physical objects using 3D printers. This technology has revolutionized manufacturing processes, enabling the creation of highly customized and intricate designs that were previously impossible to produce using traditional methods. An example of 3D printing in advanced manufacturing is the production of aerospace components, such as turbine blades, which require precise and intricate geometries. Advanced materials refer to the development of new materials and the modification of existing materials to enhance their properties and performance for various applications. Nanotechnology, on the other hand, deals with the study and manipulation of matter on an extremely small scale, typically on the order of 1 to 100 nanometers. One example of advanced materials and nanotechnology in action is the development of nanoscale coatings that can make surfaces more durable, resistant to corrosion, and self-cleaning. Another example is the development of nanocomposites, which combine different materials at the nanoscale to create new materials with enhanced properties, such as increased strength and reduced weight. Advanced materials science is a field of study that focuses on the development and characterization of materials with advanced properties and functionalities. This includes the design and synthesis of new materials with improved strength, durability, and energy efficiency. It also involves the study of materials at the nanoscale level and the development of advanced technologies for their fabrication and processing. An example of advanced materials science is the development of carbon nanotubes, which are incredibly strong and lightweight materials with a wide range of potential applications, such as in aerospace, electronics, and biomedical engineering. Artificial intelligence is transforming the agriculture industry by enabling farmers to make data-driven decisions and improve their crop yields. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, including weather patterns, soil quality, and crop growth rates, to provide insights into the optimal planting and harvesting times, as well as pest and disease management. For example, AI-powered drones can fly over fields to collect data on crop health and soil conditions, which can then be analyzed to identify areas that require additional nutrients or treatments. Artificial intelligence has the potential to transform the drug discovery process by accelerating drug development, reducing costs, and improving the accuracy and efficiency of drug discovery. AI can be used to predict the efficacy and safety of drug candidates, identify new targets for drug discovery, and analyze large amounts of data from clinical trials. For example, the biopharmaceutical company In Silico Medicine used AI to identify a potential new drug candidate for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, a chronic and fatal lung disease. The AI system used deep learning algorithms to analyze gene expression data and identify a molecule that could target a specific protein implicated in the disease. Artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize environmental conservation by improving the efficiency and effectiveness of conservation efforts. AI can be used to process large amounts of environmental data, monitor ecosystems and wildlife populations, and detect illegal activities such as poaching and deforestation. For example, AI-powered drones can be used to track animal movements, identify species, and detect habitat destruction. Additionally, AI can be used to predict the impact of climate change on ecosystems and identify the most effective conservation strategies. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare by offering improved patient outcomes, personalized treatment, and streamlined clinical workflows. AI-powered medical imaging can provide faster and more accurate diagnoses, while natural language processing can assist in patient record-keeping and clinical documentation. AI algorithms can also analyze large amounts of patient data to identify risk factors and predict outcomes, enabling healthcare providers to make more informed decisions. AI chatbots are being used to triage patients, provide basic medical advice, and manage appointment scheduling. Additionally, AI is being used to develop new drugs, monitor clinical trials, and optimize supply chain logistics. Artificial intelligence is transforming space exploration. From autonomous rovers on Mars to predictive analytics that help us better understand the cosmos, AI is helping us to unlock new frontiers in space. We'll look at the different ways in which AI is being used in space exploration, from computer vision and natural language processing to machine learning and deep neural networks. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on science and technology.